guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is LORENAAGUIRRE and I post here on my YouTube channel every Wednesday and Saturday. So if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But I do want to be doing an unboxing. I kind of already unboxed the stuff so you don't have to see me going through the packages and stuff, because the packaging honestly was pretty standard. So everything came in nice and secure, nothing was messed up on any of my products. So the first package that we have that I'm super excited about is from ELEGANCE. I got a few different acrylics. These ones over here, these are the cover powders from them, but look at the packaging. The packaging is actually super cute. So I did end up getting the color Passion, I got Seduction, and then I got SKYN. This I actually seen on one of her lives, and so the whole reason why I purchased from her brand was because I wanted to see what it was about, how it applied and things like that, and see if the colors were something that I like. And because with these I kind of just felt like maybe my application might be a little bit faster and things like that, because she was like talking on her Instagram how she is super fast at application. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give these a go and see if they are something that I like, because she says it takes her like only an hour to do nails, or like an hour and a half maybe. But I was like, dang, okay, like I want to try these. I want to see if they make a difference. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these all for you too. The next ones that I got, these were also on another one of her lives, so I've been like kind of stalking her lives and writing down every color that I kind of wanted to try. But I got Amber, I got Mocha, and I got Candy Apple. Since red is like so in right now, I wanted to go ahead and get that as well. And then I got Hot Chocolate. So neutrals are in, nudes are always in, and red is always a good color to have. So let me go ahead and get my gloves on. Oh, and I need to get a mask. So hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to go ahead and swatch all of the product that I ended up getting. I am super excited about and happy to share with you. But if you guys are new, my name is LORENAAGUIRRE and I post here on my YouTube channel every Monday and Saturday. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. I do have a TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. So I am going to go ahead and start off by letting you guys know what I am using. Right now I have my MONTAGE nail liquid, and I am starting off by swatching SKYN. SKYN has been one of the colors I did end up seeing on her live, which I fell in love with the color, and I have been kind of stalking her lives because I wanted to see what colors that I wanted to use and how they apply and things like that, just because I like to kind of do my research before I purchase a product. The whole reason why I ended up purchasing from her was because I did end up seeing a live where she was talking about how she was able to finish a set within an hour, and I was like, oh my gosh, what? That is crazy. So especially with a lot of the sets that she does, they are pretty intricate. She does do a lot of artwork and things like that. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a go and try them out. And you guys, I'm obsessed with these. I am super excited about them. So if you guys don't know, the brand that I am using is ELEGANCE Nail Supply, and you guys could find them on TikTok, Instagram, and so on. But so far, honestly, you guys, I feel like I was really happy with the product that I have gotten. This one, I felt like I picked up too many small beads, so I don't know, I feel like it looks a little bit darker in the center, but I do feel like it is definitely my fault in the way I am swatching it and how many beads I decided to go in with. So please excuse that, but you guys could see the color is actually really pretty. In one of my videos that I had just posted, you guys will be able to see that is the first time I'm actually using this or using the product, but that video will already be up. But I'm going to go ahead and put this one up after. But this was actually my first time swatching and working with them, so kind of getting adjusted to certain products is a little bit hard. But this next one that I am working with is called Passion. This is also from Nail Elegance. And this one you guys could see how easily it goes on. I feel like the first time, honestly, I feel like I should have redone that swatch just because I feel like it didn't do the product justice. But you guys could see how easily this actually applies. And even in my other video that I did end up doing it, I feel like they applied really, really nice. So I wanted to show you guys the comparison in between there. Skin is definitely a lot lighter than Passion. Passion is more pinky and it does have a little bit of sheerness to it. You are able to kind of build it up a little bit more. But honestly, I like it because I feel like, I don't know, it gives kind of like depth to the nail and I think it looks really, really pretty. So this one right here that I am swatching is called Seduction. And this one I was super excited about because it was one that I seen that I remember people looking for one from Valentino. I think it was called like Dragon Fruit or something like that. But anyways, I think that this, to me, it looked like as if it was a dupe. I've never seen Dragon Fruit in person, but from the camera and things like that, it does kind of resemble that color to me. But you guys could see how easy it was for me to apply. And the great thing about this is even when I was working on it with my client, I felt like the product wasn't wanting to run all over the place. And that's super important to me when I am working because I don't want to have to chase the product and it kind of just go wherever it wants. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and go in with the color Mocha. This is also from Nail Elegance Nail Supply. And this one, it is kind of a dark brown. You guys could see how much it deepens up. And I wanted to kind of work in with smaller beads of acrylic just because I did end up seeing how people were saying that it was chalky. So I didn't want to end up having a hard time. But honestly, you guys, I don't feel like the formula was too bad. I do feel like this color in particular was a little bit stiff for me, but in a little bit, you guys will be able to see that the other ones that I did end up doing, they were a little bit better, but they were a lot better, I'm sorry. But I do feel like a part of it might have been because I wasn't working with enough monomer in my dappen dish, because you guys could see that this actually blends a lot better once I have more monomer in there. And because I was running out, I felt like it was just making it a little bit difficult for me. So it possibly could have been that, but honestly, the color itself, I wasn't too crazy about. I don't know if maybe it was just like the way I was swatching it or what, but I don't know. I feel like it almost had like little specks in it, and I don't know if that's the way it was supposed to be. But I don't know, I just wasn't like too crazy about it. From far away, I do feel like the color looks pretty, so I do feel like I will still be able to use it, so it's not a complete disappointment, but I don't know, I think it's just like the specs kind of, I wasn't expecting it, and honestly, a lot of these colors, I like to be able to mix in whatever effect that I want to do with them. All right, you guys, so this next one is Hot Chocolate. In this one, you guys could see I'm able to blend that down and I wasn't having an issue with it. But again, please remember that I didn't have enough monomer in my dappen dish. So I think I want to try it on a client and see how I feel and things like that and have a full thing of monomer. But let me know if you guys are a client of mine and you guys watch my videos. Let me know, comment or message me in my direct message inbox on my Instagram, and we will be able to set you up an appointment with this so we could kind of better see if this is something that it is a hit or a miss. But you guys can see Hot Chocolate is actually really pretty. I love how deep the color was, and it was really easy to work with. So honestly, I am really surprised about that review that I had seen, just because I do feel like, I don't know, I feel like the products, I feel like they are really good. The only thing that I didn't like was just the color mainly on that one. So next one that I am going in with is Amber. This one was from another live that she had done, and there was, I think, several different colors including Skin. So it went from a dark color all the way to a light color, which honestly I loved it. I thought it was super cute. But this does have a little bit more of that reddish undertone. But this color is so pretty. So if you're looking for like a dark kind of vampy rustic red kind of, I don't know, like this color is just so pretty to me and I really love it. Sometimes when I find things like this, I do kind of wish I would have found it sooner, just because the pigment and application wise of this is actually working really well for me. There's some brands that I feel like I have gotten and I feel like the colors will be beautiful, but application wise, especially when it comes to really dark colors like this, when they're super pigmented, they do not want to lay down for nothing, and it is so frustrating. And it's like you put so much work into applying, and I don't know, it's just a mess. So honestly, to actually find something that is as pigmented as it is and it's not giving me really hard problems and sticking to my brush, because that drives me absolutely insane if it's sticking too much to my brush. But next color, you guys, before I go on a tangent, the next color is going to be Candy Apple. And you guys, this is literally the perfect name for that color. I've been loving reds just because Christmas just ended, and on top of that, it's the new year, so I do feel like red, they do say it's good for abundance and things like that, so I do love that, especially for the new year for my clients. And right now, what is going around is that red nail theory, and that is something that has just kind of came popular this year, and everyone's been loving it. So if you guys haven't heard about that, it's basically when you wear red nails, I guess men find you very attractive when you have red nails. It's kind of more eye-catching.